The future of 3D printing looks really great for us. It's a big market where there's a lot of different technologies available in the market. So Mimaki is focused on a specific segment of the industry. One of the main barriers in this industry is still the printing speed. So we expect that in the future, with future developments, the speed will go up, and from that moment the market will grow exponentially. Mimaki specifically has identified a few niches in the market. One is the full color printing and the other one is the accuracy. So what is for us very important is that we are bringing very vibrant colors to the market. This is especially for product designers. It's a very important aspect or demand from them. The other point is accuracy, where we are able to print very fine details using our technology. One of the items which I can show here. Here we have a very nice representation of a mask of a human being, where you can see that we have a very high detail in the skin tones, but also in the accuracy of the object printed. So here you see a handful of products which we are able to print and where we really show the added benefit of Mimaki printers. So let's start from here. This is an example which we have made for the shipping industry, where you can see that we can print very high detail to make a good representation of the object and before it goes in production. So in the past you need to do this by manual labor. So now we can print an object in only a few hours time, which is a cost-saving process here. But there's another very interesting market at the moment is the avatar or figurines. We all know the animation movies. There's a lot of demand for this kind of high detailed representations. One other example which I would like to show to you is the cosmetics or packaging industry itself. We're using a combination of transparent ink and color, which is one of the unique aspects of Mimaki. This is what product designers can use before they bring product to the market. Now, last but not least is the architecture, which is of course a very big market. From housing, industrial design like this one, we're looking at a small factory setup here. We can add full color, very vibrant colors as well to these kinds of examples. So this is another good example of applications which we can make on the Mimaki 3D printer. Mimaki has been active for decades already in sign graphics market, in textile market, in industrial market, and most recently we have added 3D technology to our portfolio. Thanks to all of the knowledge we have built up for color management, making sure that the machines have a high uptime. We have a partner ecosystem that basically makes sure that we can provide technical support when it's needed to all of our customers all over the world. So we're covering almost every country here. So this expertise and our partner networks assures basically that when a customer is investing in a Mimaki product, they will get all of this expertise built into the new 3D printer, which makes it definitely a very nice product in the market.